Welcome back to our channel. Question 31st is about voltaic cell. Okay, so look at here is given that iron is a more reactive. So here iron more reactive. So iron will becomes iron 2 plus, and then the cobalt 2 plus will becomes the cobalt. Depends on which one is more reactive, right? So when the iron becomes an iron 2 plus, the electron will flow from here, right? Go up, 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 up. So first of all, don't look at the option. Option might deter you. Think about all the thing, and then our electron has to flow. So the negative charge has to flow through the short bridge also, but not the electron. Okay, so it is negative ion flowing through here. Some ion flowing free from the aqueous solution, and then so the cobalt will become more heavier. More cobalt will be here, and the iron will become lighter. Okay, so you got all the thing on the diagram first before you look at the question. Okay, lest you will be distracted by the thing. Okay, first, A, electron flows from the cobalt to the iron. Cobalt to iron. No, reverse, right? Iron to cobalt. Okay, no. Negative ion flows through the short bridge to the iron. Yeah, we probably last one is important. Okay, always has iron flow through, but to the iron half cell. Okay, negative to the iron half cell. Ah, yes, correct. Okay, but be careful. Maybe C and D are also correct. The mass of the cobalt electron decreases. No more cobalt. Reduction occurs as the iron becomes iron 2 plus. So the you can write down, okay, think about, okay, iron becomes iron 2 plus. Okay, oxidation number 0 becomes a plus 2. Oxidation, right? Not reduction. Okay, so no. So you feel more confident. Only B is correct. Okay, you guys got it? And I must say, you are amazing. See you for next question. Bye.